If in case it is missed, I will share the previous kind of stuff. Guys, can we start? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
The next one is Outlook. What is an Outlook? Outlook is a mail client application. You can access the mails, or you can send a mail, receive a mail. You can compose the mails using Outlook application. Okay. You can access your mails from your browser, right? So you can access your mails from your browser. For example, you open my Gmail account in my browser. Okay. I can read my mails. I can compose the mail. I can send the mail. I can receive the mail. All these things I can do it through my browser, right? But same thing I can able to do it in my of Outlook also. So this is my Outlook. So there is one point I have to add. Okay. So here it is. Also I can able to send mails. I can view the mails. I can read the mails. I can send mail. I can receive the mail. I can compose the mails also. Oh, sorry, I closed it. No problem. It is a part of Microsoft Office suite. Okay, it is a part of Microsoft Office suite. Either it can be Office 365 or regular Office. You will get a Outlook. You will receive or download mails into your system. Okay. What is the difference between normal and this one? You can see, guys. This is my computer. Here I am using an Outlook application. Okay. Here I am using my Outlook. Okay. So I can able to compose mails, send, receive. Okay. Of course, you can forward mails, reply mails, reply mails. Okay. So these are the common things. Plus calendar, contacts. Okay. To do task, to do task, to do or a task management is also there in the Outlook. Okay. So what happened with Outlook is when you receive a mails and the mails will be stored in your local PC. Mails store in local PC means in your computer. This is my computer, my laptop, my PC or laptop. It stores in my local PC. Your system has a document or a data or a mail. Is it required internet? For example, I have a document is there. So I open this document and I can read it. So I don't require internet to open my document, which is in my PC. If my document is somewhere in this internet, so then I require a internet connection, right? I want to access from network. I want to access through internet. So then it is compulsory internet is required. But your mails are downloaded or stored in your local store. It means you don't require any of a internet connection, which is already received mails. But you want to send a mail. You want to send a mail. or receive a mail, you need internet. You want to send a mail or receive a mail. Okay. You want to send or receive, you need a internet. So new mail is okay. You want to send a new mail or you want to receive a new mail is there. You need a internet. So it is what is an Outlook, guys? It's a mail client application. You can access the mail, send a mail, receive a mail, compose the mail using Outlook application. It's a part of Microsoft Office suite. The downloaded mails means the mails are located in your PC, can able to access anytime with or without internet. But to send or receive any new mails, you need a internet. You can also manage the calendar, to do, task, and contacts also. To do, task, and contacts. Just like Outlook, there's a different other applications also there. Eudora, Netscape Mail, Thunderbird, iPhone. Inside iPhone, you have iPhone Mail app is also there. Gmail app. You have Android mobile phone. Inside Gmail app is there. What is the purpose of that Gmail app? Just connect with your email account so you can able to see the mails. If your data is disconnected, no problems. Your mails are in your mobile phone. You can access that mobile phone already downloaded mails. But you cannot send and receive without internet. But already downloaded mails, you can able to check it in your Gmail application, not from the browser. If you open the mails from the browser, you don't store anywhere. If you don't have internet, you cannot see the existing mail or previous mails also. It means new mails also you cannot get it. Okay. So, but Outlook is like it's an application, mail client application, just like your mobile phone Gmail application. You received a mail, and the mail will be stored in your device. With or without internet, you can check the mails after you received or downloaded. But you want to send a mail or receive a mail, you must have a internet. Understand, guys, these points?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay. These are the major points. Plus, there is some more points I'm going to explain. Okay. I can directly jump to that point, but I have an hobby of telling this what is the mail server and all. We'll see that. Okay. So I will try to do it fast. This is the mail server. Okay. Already you know how a server become a specific type of server. Of course, by installing a server application. So from Microsoft, Exchange is mail server applications. Other things also there like a Zimbra application. So you install Zimbra application into a Linux. That is a mail server. Postfix, Squirrel Mail. Spelling is little different. SquirrelMail, Dovecot. These are the different mail applications are there. Okay, mail server application. By installing into the server, it become a mail server. This mail server has a two primary works. One is managing mailboxes. Managing mailboxes. For example, I have a user. For example, user one mailbox. It's like a storage space for a user one. So all user one mails are stored in this mailbox only. Okay. This is, for example, user 2. It's user 2 mailbox. Like this. Guys, you have a mail accounts, right? For example, Gmail account. Okay. For example, you take Gmail account. You have a mail account. Gmail account is there. Okay. Your Gmail account is there. In the Gmail server, there is a mailbox for you. What are the mails you received? That mails will be in that mailbox only. And what you are doing is you are connected to the Gmail server and you are checking your mails. You are sending a mails. You are receiving a mails from the mail server, and your mails are in the mailbox. So you are connected to that mailboxes and you are looking at the mail. Okay. So this is the basic concept. Each mailbox has a specific size. In Gmail, it is a 15 GB. Now they are combined all the Google services. Total it is become 15 GB. So that's separate point. Here it is. Take an example of a user one. Okay. Take an example of user one. Okay. This user one want to send mail to user two. Is sending a mail to user two. So what happens? We'll see. The request go to the mail server. Clearly try to understand, guys. If you don't get it also, I will explain again. So I user one sending a mail to user two. The request will go to the mail server like a sending request with the protocol SMTP. SMTP with the protocol SMTP. So what is this mail server? In that mail server, there is a mail transfer agent is there. Okay, at mail server, there is a mail transfer agent. Understand what is your request? Then it is a sending mail request. Outgoing mail request it is. Sending mail. So it is SMTP request. So understand, check from which user to which user to user to. So what it will do? It forward the mail and drop the mail into the mailbox. Drop the mail into mailbox. Where user to. The mail is sent to the user to, right? That's why the mail is in the user to mailbox. That is happen in the mail server. So as I said, 2 points. One is mail server maintain mailboxes of users and understand client access. It provide a client access. Client access means when user is sending a mail to uh, other user, the SMTP with the SMTP protocol means for sending mail. Mail server understand because of SMTP means sending mail and check the to whom user to and put the mail into that user to one. Even from outside also. Okay. Same thing. Like I send a mail to your Gmail account. The mail go to your Gmail server. Gmail server understands sending mail first of all to which user, the specific user, and drop the mail into their mailboxes. Let's understand this part, SMTP part.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now it is, this is user 2. What is this user 2 want? Just like, I want to check my mails. What I will do it? Just open the site and I will load the mails, right? So what I'm doing is I send a request to the mail server using a protocol. Okay, using a protocol IMAP version 4 or POP3 version 3 kind of stuff, I send a request to the mail server. Okay, either I use IMAP or POP3. Okay, in generally this web related all IMAP request. Then this mail server MTA understand what is your request. You want to receive the mails. User want to receive the mails. Which user? User 2. Where is the user mails are located? In the mailbox. In the mailbox. So what it will do? It gives the mail content to the user. The user can able to see the mails. Okay. So what it is doing is you send a request, IMAP request to the mail server. So mail server understand what is your request, like you want to see your mails. Then it will check it. It will give all the mailbox content to you. So you can able to see the mails. Okay. This is how it is communicate. Okay. This is how it is communicate. Okay. I given some examples of mail servers. Okay, and then this is IBM Domino server is also there. Okay, the now it is HCL related HCL Domino server. Earlier it is IBM Domino server. Earlier it is IBM Lotus Note as a client, and now it is HCL Note. Okay, here it is what I said. When you are sending a mail, it is a SMTP, right? So, and I use three protocols. Yes. SMTP, POP3, IMAP. These three protocols for a mail communication. Look at here, guys. SMTP, the default port number is 25. POP3 default port number is 110. IMAP default port number is 143. Okay. So, what is the purpose of SMTP protocol? For sending mails. It's like a outgoing mail server address. SMTP mail server address means outgoing mail server address. What is the purpose of SMTP? For send a mail from client to server. It's always from client to server. Okay. Request is client to server. SMTP for sending mails. POP3 and IMAP for retrieving the mails. Okay. It's like incoming mail server address. Incoming mail servers or POP3 either IMAP server it is. For retrieving or receiving a mails. Like you send a request to the mail server for receiving a mails. IMAP, the default port number is 143, and also I've written some other port number because of this is default without encryption. This is an encryption over SSL or TLS encrypted port numbers. Okay. So for example, while you are communicating like a HTTP website, 8 is by default port number, no encryption. HTTPS means HTTP over SSL. The port number is also changes here. Port number connection is also changed. So 443. SMTP 465, 587, and so depends upon SSL or TLS kind of stuff. This is our POP3 SSL, IMAP SSL or SSL encrypted port numbers. Guys, understand these three protocols for mail communication: SMTP, POP3, IMAP, which is for sending, which is for receiving.
Yes, sir.
So why we should use for both are receiving purpose only? Which one I have to use it? Which one? I have to use it. Either I have to use POP3 or IMAP. Okay, which one I have to use it? Okay, in generally, guys, you take a Gmail account. The Gmail, it is 15 GB mail storage space you are getting. 15 GB. My organization giving me almost all 50 GB. Okay, I got my mail account, right? That is, I got a 70 is giving a mail account that is 50 GB store. So in that cases, I can choose IMAP. I can choose IMAP. Not only my choice, guys, it is also depends upon the server. Also depends upon the server. But what is this IMAP version for? It's like a copy paste kind of stuff. For example, I'm using an Outlook here. I'm the client. I use Outlook. Okay, my client software is Outlook, and I'm using a web related access. Okay, web browser, and also mobile application. Mobile application. Okay, so what happened with the Outlook? What happened with the Outlook? So my mail type communication is IMAP. Okay, so that's well. First we'll take IMAP connection. For example, I am user 3. I'm a user 3. I am sending a request IMAP version 4. So what happened? The mails will be loaded into Outlook. Okay, in this PC, in local storage, the mails will be stored. Mails are in the server mailbox as well as in your local PC. Both the places mails are available. If you are using IMAP, server contains the mails and your Outlook contains the mails. So you can access these mails in case you do not carry your laptop. So you can access these mails from the web browser also. Okay. It may not store the mails into your local PC, but you can access because the mails are in the mail server. You can access from your mobile application. Like Gmail app is there. Using Gmail app, you can able to connect and access your mails or maybe store the mails into your mobile application. It's like a multiple client. IMAP provide multiple client application. IMAP support multiple client support. Mails are in server always. Always. Okay. Multi-client support. Multi-client support is there. So I can access through my mobile application, web browser, Outlook. I can able to access. The mails will be always in the server. You can either you download or maybe you can just view it. Still it will be in the server. Mails are always in the server. Okay. This is the correct sentence. Guys, understand? IMAP is like a copy paste kind of stuff. Means You have both copies. Both set copy is there. Understand this part.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So one more point is there. That is I want to explain POP3, right? I need some other connection. So here it is. For example, there is a user. I have to take some separately, but it's for me difficult. This is user for mailbox. This is user for mailbox. Think like this. The mailbox size is 100 MB. You know, I can tell my story also. Not this organization, previous organization. My mailbox size is initially 50 MB. So they use SquirrelMail kind of stuff that time. So they configured for a user mailbox size is 50 MB, not 50 GB, 50 MB. Okay. So after some organizational changes are occur, so my mailbox is now 100 MB. Later it is 100 MB. Now when I was using 50 MB size, I'm not having much serious mails. So mail communication is very less within the organization. That mail communication is very less. Even if it is any additional mails are there, it's okay. Point is, guys, here it is one important point. This is your mailbox. If mailbox is full, both your send mails, received mails, so completely your mailbox is full, so you cannot send and you cannot able to receive any mails. You can't send a mail, you can't able to receive a mail. So what you have to do, you have to keep deleting the old mails, sent mails, any unimportant mails are there, you have to keep deleting to keep your mailboxes available. Understand? You have to keep deleting all your old mails, sent mails, unwanted mails, not useful mails. But how long you will do it? Within a very less time, this 50 MB or 100 MB will be full. If mailbox is full, you can't send, you can't receive the mails. Understand, guys?
Yes, sir.
Then it comes the concept of POP3. What is this POP3? For example, an organization is unable to provide an organization unable to give the mail service that's mailboxes are bigger mailboxes they can't able to provide. They are providing small mailboxes. So the solution is they're also telling better to use POP3. Okay. Of course, it is also depends upon the mail server configuration. So better you have. Okay. So they will plan for POP3 access on it. What is POP3 access? We'll see. It is a single client type. It's a single client type. It means this is my Outlook. Okay. What is the purpose of Outlook? Whenever you send a request with the POP3, the mails will be downloaded into your Outlook. The mails will be downloaded into your Outlook. The mails are stored in your local PC. Good. But it is cut paste. But it is cut paste. It means once you are downloaded to your local PC, it remove from the mailbox. You received it, then it is removed from the mailbox. So what happened? New mail came to your mailbox. Okay, see this. A new mail is came to your mailbox, and you'll download a mail into your local PC. and the mail will be removed. So like that, you can keep empty your mailboxes. Automatically in the server, the mail will be removed. Okay. Mail will be removed in the server, available in the local PC. This is what POP3 means. What is a POP3? POP3 is for retrieving the mails. Retrieving the mails. Okay. Once mail downloaded into local PC, computer, or mobile phone, anything, or local device, you can say. Okay. The mail is removed from mailbox, where it is in the server. Okay. You downloaded a mail successfully and it will be removed. Okay. It's a single client support. Means it meaning is you using Outlook means you cannot use it web browser or mobile application. If you are using in mobile application, you cannot use Outlook or anything. Means already mails are in another place, not in the server. You have to connect to server to download. In the server, mails are not there. Okay, like that. It is like a cut paste. It's like a cut paste. One additional point is there, guys. This is another important point here. It is in case of your local device or storage failed, means storage means is usually like your hard disk failed. Yes. So we will lost the mail data. We lost the mail data. Okay. So we have to back up. What is this? Back up regularly. Back up regularly. I cannot put it here, so I will put it here. Okay. In case of local piece device or storage failed, the lost the mail data. So backup regularly. Understand, guys? POP3.
Sir.
Very good. So here it is. IMAP version 4 copy paste. It keeps copy in both server and local client PCs. Mail not completely download into local PC. Of course, ignore that one. That is multi-client support. It is cut paste. POP3 is cut paste. Mails once is downloaded into local PC, it will remove from the server. It's a single client support. Okay. If local PC is down, hard disk is failed, so mail data is gone. So it is always better take backups and store them in other devices like a external hard disk. So one more point is there, that is Outlook data files. Okay, Outlook data files. Where the mails are stored in your local PC. Where the mails are stored in the local PC. Okay, so for example, my mails are stored inside my PC only. Okay, where it is stored in generally in the location. I will show you that one. So like files, account settings, account, data file, open file location. This is a my file location. Okay, so this is the basically this is a major location. Hi sir. Okay, and another one is once you go to this location, see this is my Outlook file. This is my Outlook data file. See the extension it is showing OST. So the file extension can be OST. Either your mails are stored. My mails are stored in this location only. Okay, my mails are stored in this location only. Okay, in some computers it is .bst file. The mail stores in this .bst file. Okay, so what is the difference? What is the difference? We'll see. Okay, so .ost. For me, it's a .ost. Okay, it's a .ost. Why? Because mine is what .ost. My file name is why it is .ost. Okay, why mine is .ost? It is because I am Office 365 user account or Microsoft 365 Exchange mail. Okay, because it's the mail server is Microsoft Exchange. The mail server is Microsoft Exchange. Okay, or my Office 365 Exchange.
నువ్వు వాట్సాప్ కాల్ చేస్తాను ఒక నిమిషం లోకేష్ చేస్తాడు మాట్లాడి కాల్ చేస్తావు
Yeah, the accidentally people wantedly don't speak, but accidentally they'll speak to others by mic open. Happens sometimes. Another one is PST. What is OST? Offline storage table. What is PST? Personal storage table. What is that one? The mail server is other than Microsoft Exchange. Either it is can be Office 365 Exchange or regular on-premises Exchange kind of stuff. Okay. Mail stores in the local PCs in a file. This is the location of file, general location of file. In these two format, either OST or PST. If mail server is Microsoft Exchange or Office 365 Exchange, it is .ost file. If it is not both, then it is .pst. Okay, so I can add this thing here, but so many things are there. I can add this one also here. But this is simple Outlook information, that is mail server information. Okay. Guys, understand? Dot is dot OST dot PST. Okay. So here it is to have to find what is the difference between two CCC, CC and BCC. Okay. Just you can try these things. What is two? What is CC and BCC? Two means you're sending a personal message, like you are sending a information to a specific person. For example, you're sending to some request to your an employee, or maybe from to your HR you are sending. So you are sending to the person. Okay, but you can CC to the user 3. For example, what is this CC? Is not main recipient. He has to give reply, not this person. Who is this user 3? It is notifying that I inform. For example, I have team lead, but I am sending a request to the HR for some access purpose, or maybe I'm sending a request to my administrator for access purpose. That is two. Okay, or some leave request I'm sending two, but also CC2. So my manager kind of stuff. Okay, so for example, you are sending mail to HR for leave request and CC to the manager. So manager is not main recipient, is the main recipient. That is 2CC. Then what is BCC? Blind carbon copy. Carbon copy, blind carbon copy. For example, I BCC a mail to user 1, user 2, user 3, user 4. All these users will receive a mail, but user 1 don't know. User 2 also received a mail. Okay, so user 1 don't know, same mail is sent to user 1, user 2, user 3. And I want to do some mail campaign. I have 100 users mail accounts are there, but I don't want to know. I don't want to make the people know. I send same mail to others. Congratulations, you are selected in this particular program. You're heartily welcome you to join in this program. I send the mail. I put all the mail accounts in BCC. So people think they received personally. They don't know other recipients. Okay, so that is called a BCC. Okay, so guys understand 2CC BCC difference?
Yes, sir.
Very good. This is backup and restore. Already I told it is better to take backup of your mails, better to store them in a different location. Simple, go to the file, find out where is the best backup kind of stuff. No, no. Where is this backup? No, it is export, open export. See, this is open export, import and export. Select export to a file. Select export to a file. Next, select Outlook data file. Next, select and export to this type of file. Export to, I want to export all the things into a simple file. The file extension is file is this. Okay, and select all these things like including subfolders, inbox. Next, where you want to store. You want to store in external hard disk, or you want to store in some different drive or pen drive kind of stuff. Okay, select the thing. Choose which option is better for you. Do not export duplicate item. Means already you have taken. Don't take same thing again. Yellow duplicate item means both the copies. Last time copy is there. This time copy is also. Both copies will be there. Replace duplicate. Yesterday you have taken backup. Today you have taken backup. You keep both the things. Yesterday is a 1 GB. Today is a 1.1 GB. Totally become 2.1 GB. Okay. If you replace, it's a newer version only available. It is not always required older copies. We need a total copy. Okay. Depends upon your requirement. You can choose it. Click on the finish. It will going to be backup. Okay. Choose the location wisely where you want to store it. So this is important. Export is for backup and restoration purpose. Mail rules and signatures. What is this mail rules and signatures? And this is blocking my view. I can't able to see properly. Here only it is the mail rules will be there. Yeah, this is the rules. Okay, managing rules. Guys, if you look at, if you see these folders, I should see my important mails, not happy birthdays, anniversary mails, some events related. That is not required at all. That is, I will keep it separately. So what I will do it? So I created a folder. Inside, I will tell if I receive any mail which contains birthday, happy birthday, anniversaries, put that those mails into the this happy birthday folder. Another one is this is if I receive any mails from H1B 70s, put that mail into H1B folder. H1B folder. Okay. So if I receive any mails from the HR, because those mails are important, HR mails are important. So from HR 70s, any mails are received, put it in HR folder only. Okay. And I also created a alert. Means when I received a new mail, so like your notification, you should get in some sound. So I created that notification also. Okay. Even I created it's like this. This is a external mails. So when I receive any mail from here, put it in external folder. Okay. These are the rules. Second one is signatures. So when I'm sending a mail, I have to add my signature to it. So simple. The signature automatically came. So I have to store the signature, different signatures here. So which signature is I want to add while I'm sending the mail. So I can able to add the signature. Of course, calendar events. You can see the calendar. So there is events in the calendar. See, yesterday we have a meeting at 6 o'clock. It give an alert. You have a meeting. Today or tomorrow, anything is scheduled, it send an alert. Okay, that's a calendar event. People contact list to do task. This is do task kind of stuff. Okay, guys, this is about your Outlook. Understand what is an Outlook? What are the protocols? What is the purpose of these protocols? Outlook data files. Okay. Up to here, you got it.
Sir.
So actually, I will tell this Outlook troubleshooting separately, but now we do not have a time. Again, tomorrow, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, I'm not available. Okay. So better to complete and you should study. Okay. If you have any doubts, you can contact me later. Okay. So unable to, there is a issue, unable to send or receive file mails. So what is the issue? So what to send and receive a mails, what is the first thing is required? What is the first thing is required? Internet. Without internet, you can't send a new mails, you cannot receive any new mails kind of stuff. You cannot send or receive any new mails. We need a internet. So first check the internet to make sure internet is working or not. If internet is not working, so first solve the internet issues. If internet is working, okay, if internet is working, so then it is some other problems are there. Okay. So first, if it is not working, check the internet related kind of stuff. Internet working, then what to do? Check the configuration. See, this is some configuration will be there. Okay. So in account setting, if I change some configuration, if I change some configuration here, it may give some problem here. Okay. For example, I select some option, or I remove some option, I change some security things, I change some port numbers. So then, if I change the configuration or configuration is changed, then also you cannot able to send and receive the mails. Password is changed. Password is changed. So you are configured Outlook here. So you can access through web browser. The mails you can access through web browser. You can access the Outlook, right? So it is a mail account. So it means username is there, password is there. You change the password, but you didn't update the password in Outlook. You change a password in a web browser, but you didn't update the password in Outlook. Send and receive not happen. Authentication is failed, right? You change the password, authentication failed. Another one. Send and receive. What is the another one? Password may be expired. In organization, the user accounts are maintained by Active Directory Exchange, right? So password limitations also can created. In some organization, there's 42 days for a password, 1 month for a password, 3 months for a password, like that. The password is expired or password is changed by administrator. Possible? So check the password changes related. Try to log in with a web browser. Try to open your web browser and check these things. Try to log in with a web browser. Then you will confirm that password is correct password or changed password. First one, if you are able to access through the web browser means it is password related, you will confirm. Second, okay, try to send and receive a mail. If mails are sending and receiving through the web browser, means there is a problem in your Outlook. Either Outlook configuration or your drive, your C drive is full. Your application is not working. If you are unable to send and receive a mails through the web browser, it means your either mailbox is full. Check your mailbox. If it is full, then delete any old or unnecessary mails and try once again. Okay. These things like it is like it's like a chat box type. It's like even you learn C language like if loop, for loop, while loop. What is that? The diagram is like that, na? If this is no, then go to this. Yes, and go to this. Okay, like this only. Okay, check with web browser, confirm password. Password is working, so then you will log in automatically. Okay, and then try to send mail. If you are able to send and receive a mail, it is Outlook related issues, not server related, not mail account related. If you are unable to send and receive mail, check the mailbox size. Is it full or available? It is full, delete old mails, any unnecessary mails. Okay. And another side is server side configuration is also that side any configuration changes, also you maybe get a problem. Okay. And also check your C drive capacity. Your C drive is completely full, so also you cannot able to send and receive mail because you are using POP3. If in case you are using POP3 or IMAP anything, so your required capacity. Okay. If nothing like if from web browser everything is good, so then it is Outlook related issue. But, yeah, tell me. Okay. Outlook application is not working. Maybe possible. Scan with the antivirus your application related issues. Sometimes log out, log in your computer. Restarting your computer may it is load. Today only you are getting, not every time. Like yesterday, today, it's not like that. Today morning onwards only it is not working. It is a possible that certain services not loading properly. That's why you are not able to do it. So better to restart your PC or log out, log in from the PC kind of stuff. Okay. Control panel, programs and features. Okay. So check if your Outlook application is not working, go to control panel, programs and features, right click on Microsoft Office, try to repair. You can go by office.cpl to the control panel program files kind of stuff. So it directly opens and try to repair it. Uninstall the application, restart your PC, install the application again. Better to remove the cache informations like a percentage temp, prefetch, disk cleanup wizards. Okay. This also make system bugs. Okay. Guys, if it is application related issue, this is a troubleshooting. Okay. If it is mail communication related issues, these are the things. Okay. Okay. This is mail communication related issue. This is Outlook related issues. Okay. So these are the Outlook information. Okay. Any doubts